Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about mask proof lipstick NYX reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, and it is an online shopping store which is based in United Kingdom and United States that deals with multiple lipsticks including liquid lipstick, lip liner, lip glitter, lip primer, lip gloss, and beauty care products including face beauty care items like powder, concealer, foundation, highlighter, bronzer, color correct, face palettes, etc., and brushes or vegan lipstick items. So guys, this site is offering various eye products as well, including mascara, eyeshadow, eye glitter plus pigments, eyeshadow primer, and false lashes, eyeshadow palettes, etc. So the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. You can take a look here, and they're also offering some discounts, and at the top of the webpage you can see they have mentioned that free shipping on orders $25. So let's check out the payment information of the site and shipping policy of the site. So guys, they accept online modes of payment, and in the FAQ section you can get the information related to payment. So guys, they do not currently accept international credit cards, rest they can accept. And for shipping policy, you need to visit the shipping policy section. Here is the page of shipping and returns, and let's talk about the shipping policy. So you can see the shipping duration will be 7 to 10 business days, and apart from that, guys, this was the duration for your refund, but for orders the standard shipping duration will be 3 to 7 business days, and expedited shipping will be 2-day delivery orders. So this was the shipping information. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, the site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. And talking about its domain information, the domain name was created on 16th of March 2001. So guys, this site is 20 years old website, so we can say that this is a legit website, and this makes the site quite suspicious. Now talking about us information. So here is the about us page. You can read the entire information for your knowledge and convenience. They have mentioned the information related to the business, brand connection info, etc., which is a positive sign, guys. So you can read the information, and apart from that, let's talk about the contact details. So here is the contact us page, guys, and they have mentioned the contact number, live chat options, phone, email, etc. And they have also provided a query form. If you want to connect with the customer representatives, then you can send your message for any query. And this is a positive sign here. Talking about social media presence, so you can see the site has strong social media presence on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest, and Snapchat. Apart from that, guys, according to a study, we have found that this site has 14.7 million followers on Instagram and huge thousands of followers on Facebook. So this is a positive sign. This makes the site quite legitimate, guys. And talking about return policy, let's check out the return policy of the site. So you can see they have mentioned 45 days of return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. And talking about mask proof lipstick NYX reviews, we have found mixed customer reviews about this site on the internet, and most of the customers have appreciated the quality of the products. Guys, you can also visit any of the product to view some customer reviews, and we have found 4.4 star rating out of 5 on other platforms as well. You can take a look here. We have found positive comments on official website as well. So this is a positive sign here. So these are the customer reviews, guys. You can see all reviews by clicking this option. You can see there are mixed reviews, and most of the customers are satisfied with the brand or with the quality of the products. So one of the customers said this is a really good basic lipstick. You can read the entire review for your knowledge and convenience. So guys, based on these factors, in the final conclusion, we would say this website is a legit website. You can give it a try. If you want to purchase any of the beauty care item, then you can visit this site easily. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thanks for giving your precious time, guys. Have a good day.